You must have seen whenever the wind blows at a high speed or storm comes suddenly, some trees fall while some remain intact at its own position. So, at that time, it is not the fault of a wind. It will blow sometimes at a high speed, sometimes at a low speed. Nor it is the problem of a storm. It is their work to arise suddenly and destroy the environment. But what is the task of a tree? The task of a tree is to remain calm and fixed in its own position whether there will be any favorable or unfavorable climatic condition, to tolerate the high speed of the wind and maintain its balance. Same goes with our life. This society will try to affect us in every way. It will try to push us down. It will try to impede our progress. This society has shackled us into unnecessary rules, constrained us into age limits. By 23, you should complete your education. By 25, you should get a job. By 30, you should get married and settled. And if someone doesn't fit into the norms of the so-called society, these people then get feared of being ostracized from the so-called society. And the repercussion is many youngsters get depressed, they get filled with anxiety. They think that they are worthless for this society, their confidence gets low, and the fear of being isolated from this society doesn't let them to grow in life. And if you go according to those societal norms, then also you only have to bear the consequences. If you get married by young age and if you face some difficulty, then also this society will say, why did you got married at the young age when you couldn't handle your married life? And if someone gets stuck into that mundane job or that unsatisfactory job, then the society will not come to help you out. So my dear friends, let me tell you one thing. God has made everybody unique. Everybody has their own individuality, own life stories. Everybody has their own struggles and their own journey. Everybody cannot live according to the set standards of the society. Hence, break the chains of this unimportant society and live life to the fullest. Don't get molded by the unnecessary guidelines of this society. Change according to the requirement of your goals. These people who say one thing or the other can never add value to your life. Only you can. Do whatever you want in your life. If you want to take degrees, go and take it. Doesn't matter whether you are in your late 20s or in your 30s or in your 40s. Never get embarrassed by the step you take. Never give control of your life to the other people. You are the master of your life. You can decide whatever you want to. Marry at that age when you find the right person. Don't get settled for that person just because your friends or relatives want to. Remember, you have to be like that strong tree who doesn't get affected by the unstable wind and storm and has the capacity to bear the high speed of wind and storm and still remain firm at its own position. In the same way, be calm and composed and never let anyone to take your peace. Last but not the least, you will never reach to your destination if you will throw stone at every dog that barks. So there is no need to listen to everyone. Just fulfill your dreams, your passions and goals. You have got just one life.